In this example, we can see the two columns, one for name columns, another column split in name in different format. So we are going to learn how we can split in different format. First of all, we can go to text split. We are going to split the name and delimiter as comma here and close the bracket. Once you split, it will be in different two columns. So I want to split everything in single columns. Normally, when we want to remove the comma, we can use control. We can press Control H and find and replace. So when we press Control H, we can see find and replace here. So find what we need to find comma and replace as empty. So just click on replace all. We can see here everything has replaced. So we need some other changes that will not be possible in find and replace. So we can see here Donald Trump. Suppose we add middle name, and if we want to replace only the last name, before last name only special character and other place only comma, then find and replace is not possible. We have to use Excel functions. So suppose I add third name, that's middle name for Donald Trump. It will not be possible when we make changes in find and replace. So here suppose I am adding middle name for the Donald Trump and keep separator as comma, and suppose I need after John dash. It will not be possible when we use find and replace. So we can use Excel functions. So I'm going to use here substitute functions to replace, instead of comma, replace as dash. So here substitute, starting with substitute, and first argument text as this cell, and comma, hold text as comma, on double quotes type comma as all text, comma, new text as dash, close the bracket, enter. Here everything has been changed as dash. So I want to change only Trump only. So you can see here instance number. I want to change only before middle last name only. So instance number can, when we press 1, we can see it's in the after Donald, we can see dash. Now I type here 2, that's why it happened. Because the problem is the second row and third row, there is no middle name. That's why it replaced as comma. We want to make changes in the second and third row also. So before that, we want to know len to get the length of a text. So type len and select the text. It will return the total length of a text. Okay, so if I want to know the text without comma, that will be reduced -2, 18 -2. So len on the bracket, add substitute also, again open bracket, here select the text as all text as comma, new text as empty. So just double quotes only. So it reduced two character so that it returns 16, right? So 18 minus 16, that is we can use as instance number to get the result, our desired result. Suppose, so I'm going to do here, when we look at the second row, for example third row, same thing, second row only 13 character including including comma. This one without comma, it's 12. So we get the idea how to remove the before last name, how to remove the comma and add dash. So we can go through the substitute as usual here. Open bracket and old text as comma, new text as dash. Now instance number always should be length of a text minus length of a text without comma. So we can use, sorry, we can restart again, really sorry. Substitute open bracket old text as comma, on the double quotes mention comma, again new text as dash, instant number as length of a text minus length of a text without comma, that is 18 minus 16, that is 2. So we need the dash in the place of after John before Trump. So minus length of a text minus length of a text, substitute on the bracket text comma old text as comma, new text as dash, sorry, comma, empty cell, then the result will be 2. So we need the after John we need only dash. So when we close one more bracket and enter it, we will get the result Donald comma John dash Trump. Second one Narendra dash Modi, we can see like this. So first instance number 2, second instance number 1, third instance number 1. So I am using comma and add one more name here. So let's see, it's 3 because it's how it changed. Now you understand. So we can use this trick in case we need to change this way. I hope you understand this video. Please share and subscribe for more videos.